Hi everybody, welcome to Martin's Sticky Buns. I've been thinking about biscuits and what I've made, but I haven't made a good old-fashioned British biscuit, the ginger biscuit. The recipe is in the description box for everyone to have a look at, and you can click on subscribe to my channel, which will get you notifications of new videos to watch. The ingredients are pretty straightforward, as is the method. So let's show you how it's done. We've got most of the ingredients in a mixing bowl here. That's plain flour, caster sugar, bicarbonate of soda and ground ginger. According to your tastes, you can put more or less ginger in. I'm using 2 teaspoonsful. Now the butter is to be rubbed through until it comes to breadcrumbs. There we are, breadcrumbs. This looks like it's almost there. Some bigger bits of butter. I'm going to add the golden syrup. We've got the dough made here. Now we just want to measure out the biscuits. I think we'll go for something like 30 grams. £30. We've got 17 weighed out, possibly another one on the back of my hand. And now we're going to place them on a tray. As we're filling these biscuits on the trays, you have to remember that the biscuits are going to spread. Right, 17 biscuits ready for the oven. That'll be a fan assisted oven at 170 degrees for 12 minutes. Wow. I mean, if you look at them, they look gorgeous. Just out the oven now. It'll be far too hot to try them. They've been out of the oven for an hour now. They're obviously cool enough to eat. Let's try one. Wow, that's amazing. The ginger is right there for you to taste. Makes a lovely crunch. All of those simple ingredients and it turns out to be a fantastic biscuit. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time for more of Martin's Sticky Buns. See ya. One of Abby's treats.